Welcome! In front of me I have COLMI V31 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the F-Fit application on our phone. In the app, you should see the data page at the beginning. Also, you should see your V31-020C right here. That means that the devices are connected. Now we can tap on the device icon to open the device page for our watch. Scroll all the way down and you should see the unbind button. Tap on it, tap on determine to confirm, and now the device should disappear from the device page, as you can see. And when you go to data, it also will disappear from here. We can also open the Bluetooth settings on our phone to make sure that the watch is completely disconnected. And if you open this list, it should be gone from here. If it's still on here, as you can see on my phone, it's not, but if it was on yours, you can tap on the settings icon next to the watch. For example, tap on forget and then tap on forget device to completely disconnect it from your phone. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.